For that, there is a specific app called Napily, which is developed by IIT Kharagpur and XLRI students. It's a startup, and the app will be explained in.
Actually, the uniqueness of what this app is that every news or an article, like we may not be even accustomed to read the editorials that come. Only few of us have the interest to actually entirely go through it. And it seems the case of news also. You may not have get the time to actually go through the entire news written in the column. So what you do is like go through the main lines, headlines, few things, then you skip it. So this particular app divides a particular news in a unique framework called as 5W1H framework. It's called what, why, when, where, and how.
So they have various other categories also. Consider world, all the news that's happening in the world, current news. They will divide and analyze it properly so that it will be easy for understanding.
Everything you have to go to Wikipedia and start it. As you said, GST. First, you have to know what is GST. Suddenly, you are seeing news cabinet has approved GST. Then you will go and put into this framework like what is GST, when it is passed, where it is passed. Like, you will get a 360 degree view of this. So when you try to search in Google about it, you may spend more than 30 minutes for that, which you cannot afford, right? There are many news coming in the same day. So if you have to 10 minutes, and if you can know much about that entire picture of about that news, how we do.
Like every news is called as a nap. You take a nap, browse through it in next 6 windows, you know about the news. So this will be greatly handy for you guys for you can pay for the final placements, so GD points, quick points like just when you enter inside. So you can download this app through a particular link that will be sending you shortly. So it's available on Google Play and App Store.